This exercise is called World's Greatest Stretch. In the name, the World's Greatest Stretch, it hits a lot of different muscles in our body and joints in our body. So we're stretching our hamstrings here, we're stretching our hip flexor on this side, and then we're also going to create mobility in our shoulders and in our mid-back. So this exercise, we're gonna get down into this half kneeling position. And from here now, I'm gonna reach through my arm right here. This is gonna cause a little bit of a stretch in our hamstring and in our hip. And then from here now, I'm just gonna open up and open my rib cage up and let my rib cage rotate. And you're gonna start to feel a little bit of a stretch in the front of your hip on the other side. And then we're gonna come back through and add breathing. So deep breath in here, open that rib cage and let it out. And reach as high as you can go.